Koshadian ye, answer was shown some comes to our screen as well. One trouble be I guess a day, I just and I 98% and our meeting to them Ababa, wash up mask and Ankasan some Ehunena, Abba said so much about be peso. I just a die 30, I 50 grammy. I just I said a mask, see a company away say, 1 million mask way and some other in Baba, 98% and I said and say. Probability say be obopo na be obi adena ho ka Mbappe hwenena e be ne ya no e wo form e 2%. Probability say be obi ho ka Mbappe hwenena say enom abuagum na yeso also hone bugum na akoto kokura chimga mame meto ho bibi kwa hone no nya adwuma bra enti yeso probability say onte yaw ensom aye 98% enya ne ya na cha say ne mask we aye kama pa ana 30 and 50 no yeso emuduro ni weight and some aye between 30 and some akwasi aye 50 grams chese no aye said omuduro no and some asitia namom yese ebe teki na fuano mako enan edi akọ enum ansa na mask no wo matimi aye awianya se bia wo temedase abrasa Mbappe apa mask na no akwa rubber ne chese plastic a wodwarim no wa bi dia kwaso function na dabi yeso mo ya etaki 4 ekwasi 5 days ansana wetimi aye sa mask we ensom awie na oye player na ho ne bugumu a yese we ne buo no when you for cry 170 euros no aye 2,741.27 million and can see can you come to na me na so ana anya no no I know abofo ana wo pa bi so bo no aye up to 300 euros 300 euros no see 4,837 Ghana. Na satirisi kanum 48 million. Aka krabina 50 million, bra. And yanka ni benya atio da dia kwa me na me fam sika bongo tadi we da when em zampen for na babo nka enti amount awase bia federation no wo mo so ayi editor sa mask na ema Mbappe anaso mo hye ema company no wo mo susu ayema Mbappe no ahonsam ana chesa no pen no ye de ni nyina so ade ma ni nyina na kakra frimo enso ade eba enwa me kaye pa say me ka cho se bi say obe surgery e bi si wonye ema be kan pen say Mbappe enso abe require surgery later na akwa bibio ho jeminya no say doctors na so obi on dwumadi a wodi obi ye bia chesa wan just and den just aha sa just for no yesi we no ye fa no Dr. Casquero na Dr. Casquero wonom ay expert awon ya ye fa no say atol right when you atol right no laryngologist aha o sere do ada yes why atol rhinolaryngologist na so mo no hwe ENT e bia wasum wo hwenim ene chese minimum on sere nyina bomba ko e se bia behia surgery na se bia behia chese ne e kan sa enuro bi ni recommendations bi ni ade a sa for no enso ana hwa sa de ne ma o aye atol rhinolaryngologist Edio atol rhinolaryngologist sa for no na some and some an Americano yeso run say Mbappe no aye den surgery ompo also why because a dro bia ni ho e was assi so doctors edebema wa benum chese bema ubenya wa yaresa anase bia ehwene no enso abesa friend to my perfect dabida a dro bia ni ho it was surgery okoye ana cases bia ti say wunya broken nose probability eba request also okoye surgery enso aye 60% enom aye said ye city our brand no pain no ye day update ama ye chill for life enso our brand jumadi ni nyina no enso agusu akwaso two kaise enra linki to say and a sanitary and Olympic Games no and yet they say Mbappe ebeko wunim na wunim now san kobo subiem se bia Mbappe no na remade mo mane masaso mbesia siw asum no na report to me nyane jamensa kan nyina no enso and say His Excellency Emmanuel Macron France man panyi makacho dada say what try the obetimi bia ma Florentino refer no say wo kai 2 years ago kwan a wunti akwada we dey fa so nim guase a we dey go into Olympic Games in the bra enya maso ne Emma Sotina, yes, I'm okay, so play on a camp, no, yes, Mbappe, John Crano, Emsa Kokum, Mbappe, GDA passer, sad decision. I remember for taking yes, sir. One woman in Olympic Games in Nano, I so far the best one, and say, Woba Madrid, near beto sabra uye eros akofie din kwaji wo home ye start eye ne kan say process na I was say also ba Real Madrid eye team from day one wa may process no obi a soldier yam bench na emani nya yie enti boy ne kwa be so onya sum fine at the start the processing aye so diri e ba sa decision no and at the best one our bra no kasai and no some idea from us wo ye and so at the ba bra ho sam nyina no ye de ema ye tefo enano pai and some our show no so afai mama aye Copa America no num sa dwumadia nyame adoma weekend aba so report aminya and say Neymar yes Neymar da Silva Junior say ono tournament no on timi mobi Namom Brazil, one first game of our camp, almost second game of our camp. Jaminian said, Neymar, about Johnny Salasao, Omanasha Timono, and some our camp, I'm mobile first game. At was our second game, said a bear. What is some about me a boost to Bison, Omomora, Amateur kind of qualification, and no and some at me a bar, and no Kakafin, and I swear, and so I did Bana, Mamma, I am Messi, I don't know, Kita World Cup, and I'm say, Yababa Copa America. Players ever. Wamiyama Kumako 416. Our Copa America anymore 416. According to TNT, I'm say. I Ballon d'Or winner Bakope. Omo bani pa Bakope na aje Ballon d'Or. Ana sani bano so kwana. Waje Ballon d'Or no krano. Wasaje ne mpre mako enwotwe. Ene de yesi na so ntuweno. Woye 8-time Ballon d'Or winner. Ana chesel yo mesede ba dwumadia. Ye fan sam aye Copa America anymore. Na ma me moment na okisi aye World Cup trophy okaya. One ba presentation obral yo message. Ye fan sam best player. Anom aye golden ball. And some our tournament na okisi aya World Cup trophy is wo some moment na shark I was so when you at the mommy now you must say anu ne Leo see want to just moment we on just efe papa what you wa kan kra anya fe what you wa hwe picture yi and say they suppose ma wo mu yimfo nyini kama what you wa ka bi say anya fa na wa ka mo message some moment we nam aya special edman sense aya trophy na wa twen achepa 1 what the nsa so mu ana fe 2 wasan kisi aya trophy no na dabiano okay adabio da so kai na o se player bi o asase so gise bia o mo ball player bia die so no say wo beje World Cup e dey say na so hey ko jack no ne dey fama ne dey na say indirectly o twime ko dey aye si Ronaldo mo wo se odiri e ba say player bia o asase so die so no say wo beje World Cup e dey say na so na do ba so kan nyina no say nei na ne agese ne die so enso abamo na dwumadi o mo kwakodi our Copa America ne mo no wo se abrebi Argentina aye favorite anas Argentina enso aye favorite and also nchese bi Argentina for no wo mo kototo ne o ma se wo mo so ade ne kwako diagro and some our sajumade no Shadrack mame aye Lilian Brazil masa Brazil dia no one fast wo papa make Brazil me so men twen wadwen enkwasi dia wotai ni so wei aye Lilian Brazil bobo e me bia twam ade mali na di kan sore dende ni so oni abekọ ana obe free league bobo ko na manfo so yes class no bi kra bi disa chese Bournemouth nom ani Bologna mo nyina ba na mo boy no we choose so obe stay our French league ni mo me no ka se Lilian Brazil wano kwakọ ball and some our start Laurent Valadrome Edjama Olympic Marcel team no yesem omo boy na agree personal terms womo so no bobo kwafan se li eka aye 9 million euros ano anababa Edjama bobo kwa ye fan se li bobo kwa na eno wache report amenya nyina no aye breast mom aye breast asem American enti breast omakodan na womo ton no ensom adenama boboku a ye fan se Marcel no ana say woman combination ya say enkan na nka about my breast ana won so di Brazil ana so se wo free breast kwana so okọ ebia Marcel na chese Marcel no emano ebe sele Brazil di ali wo free breast na okọ dia Marcel na chese man ye ma so no just on besele Brazil na chese akwakotom chese ni nyina na say we no some aye ne kan sa Barca okay ti rank na event here just somebody ade bia ba hu bia chese kurukuru a shade mu bia no montigai chese no aye update aba onsam no ye de ama ye tefo enano pai ensom our show so afei mama stadium come new said yes say aye Barca wo mo stadium no city na masa e take shape brutal na asa gra adwuma Barca for you know and what dem papa na report to am say kan say and some ane de eba no say Barca for stadium no aka krab no mo yawi am say ho adwuma na chesenche say ane say adwuma no and some asi tekisha papa enche bia na chese o ma betintim nkonwa ya rufi no and some aye no ma bia aka na chese nyame ya doma by next year bia de na chese bia 100% complete omo and some atimi awi ansa enti Barca mo kam no na say what that's what wo hwe bia wo dia shark man nkoso na Barca for no some form hit no na owura fa no say deco ada so abo Barca deco no yese o ma ka cha no so panin fa sha otirimo sa unton bia wunya sika ntobio enti se wadwenya so ana mekoto ya ba mamisika nkoto dabi yesi this was selling more ansana wono nsom atimi aye bice ni bi enso adiaba enti de koton a ana obanya bi ensom ade ahyem a chese no enso aye update frimo enso adeba onim se na no pai wo bi kan ba tudwa sa ebia na Grand Porter wonom ane bobo kwa se Leicester for kwa kowie nemom de mensa kan se ebia na nkwankwa Porter wo kai Nottingham Forest obu coach na says Steve Cooper. Jaminian says Steve Cooper, mom. Yes, I'm a dincommon. I'm a drachire. As of now, report to me, say, can say, I likely Bobo can say, acha. I was said by the close and answer by the end of this week, no. One social ama Steve Cooper, Abana, one abe coach, Adema Bobo Kua. Your fan say, Leicester City Cooper, and I just want some dear Jumano, and some Adman Liverpool say, woman on son and Tiasamo, Lenny Joro, Massa, and your be a player. We are Real Madrid and our pa. Woman so pay etimo amoye an ana remade de o chese Liverpool twom ne atene nyina no Jaminian ne no pere se Liverpool pere fo no be se wo mo accelerate entanka bia Van Dijk and Lenny Joro our 4 and 5 na masa hwe boy ne height se de remade for far Rafa Varansana omosom abeso mo fa kodai entinka ne anka kire de wo fa bon ne fa wiemo wo de fa fo fam so kra fa kodai ensom abesa pra Liverpool fo ni abre na yeso ma tesa kodan na ye fa so Brian Mbembo and so ababo ade amatim no and to Brian Mbembo so ka say wono some ababo de ama Liverpool no yes Liverpool fan so nya ready say bia sikana wom di kan say ade kwa so mo pe boy no omo nya ready so mo de bi abeka ho wom say ade boy no betimi force no way through and some amasa do no nyina no and also abaso ade ama no akodan na ye fan so Brian Mbembo na Manchester United and so akoda captain ayo Bruno Fernandes mebeka no maybe atwam say amonton nemom se kobase bia dachi bia no womunya afana se bia afana ye kama nkwan dia na ne chese Bruno Fernandes no womum ebetimi agane kwam na akọ as of now report to me say kan se Bruno ti no yese man you o kan dia ehio mo ye pa kase enam no kase ya contract renewal eno enka ho womunya ready say bia Bruno no omo be ma na offer amana ba be sign nemom se kobase bia yes omo bo bia transfer market ni close na Bruno enko that's what hot dia ho and bia agent ne beba say omo no omo entrance se da bia akoda no enso ebetimi extend the contract no enso adiama side ye fan say no aye manju anano pay no ye de update tab am be kan me bia twam sa akoda na ye fan Joshua Zigzi wonom ebe fi Bologna join AC Milan na AC Milan for no woma tena wa ekokwasa so omo say ai ana deal ba kwa ba so agent no enko be 15 million euros oh ho na bon ona ababo agent fee entibese ne Milan entimi ni akoda ni wie me no ka so omo so resolve na bia between be 8 million ekosi 10 million omo tua edema agent say bia boy no ensom ababa AC Milan enro ade ba nyina yate say yes man you for say womo so apenemom report am say kan say sa be 40 million euros ne de man you entua enfa nkonko fa akoda na ye fa no say Joshua Zigzi ensom enfa akoda ne mada eno ensom ay update aba akoda na ye fa no say Amad Diallo yes what also can manager ne plans ho enti mo amfu se bia Amad Diallo be jane kwam na akọ nyina no metes Amad Diallo ebe koso este e manju ono ane chese Rasmus Højlund ana Alejandro Garnacho Kobe Maino wo mo nyina no da so can manager no ensom plans ho na wabra beto say yes Diego Simeone omo de ba so mo Conor Gallagher Mr Kunkun na Jaminya no say sika no de buy no Chelsea for say emben omo valuation of £50 million and team omo rejected sa offer no Jaminya no say yes Simeone na papa na sempa Conor Gallagher no chese until hu jai wono nko ne yes omo say na die mpa no na akwada mo so sem mo de mo fa ne mra me chese me no ka say Conor ayo bia manager no abasa kwan bia so no womo som ade akwada na ebrana enom kakra from adeba na de shock me say womo so me alert to ya market on say Chelsea so alert to de womo tadi Japan sa akwada na your friend say Samu Omorodiano report to me say Chelsea the 40 koi. Yes, I let to go for say on one cast and a clause 80 million shows. Now say Samu Omorodion 80 million boy now. What was what you could get now? 80 million Chelsea want to ujai. Me no kasi say woman da so din come our bra say Bason Kwadia. Almost some bet me afa Emra and I make catch us Michael Olise. Amama kwan say obetimi. I had say Chelsea bet me no boy na akasa Michael Olise baby ayakwa drew and said dentia £60 million no ayedin say be a Crystal Palace abete so and say what say the former team Reading for Bomonano den omo percentage and what club no better there and a boy and cast already now to just all percentage I was asked so anymore and the parties me answer player in question and watch Crystal Palace and a Reading I had 3 parties no and about just ask can you tell per se one some about our Brenano Peno and no I update about home something now yet Emma yet our show so John Duran at the Dominion so my manager no and so I say e must say be our pair and as on penin no John Durant no and I said the best yakona Olympic Games about so Serbia di Novak Djokovic edi aka ho enti our opportunity said the only medal I want to hear Olympics gold medal the last Olympics or try and so zoo our final enti be me heard him say nyame ya adoma Serbia for team no wonom ebetimi age a gold medal and some Olympics no achese no aye kakra from edeba yes meza se bibia iku die
any experience fancy the Maria BPI.
Okay.
Come on. Some to me says so no she Samre are more cover botanical names there by there. Momoro Dion money you the botanical names. Karika papaya. Botanical names no. And no nana Moses and my madrin some obese sadi about teams in him. Fancy the Maria. And there is a lot of discussions going on. Yes, I am free say. Now your team for Nenka when you nkomo say. The first round of the Euros competition let me abanawie in terms of also mubu na from group A, ABC group A chatwo. Ometimi abomu games ni na wie. Na ne no be chance with the round 2. Now fancy before answer be chance with the round 2 no. Me pese e di nkomo kakra bi na e hwa ade bi kakra. Fancy, this is a tournament that is where stars are born. And it is a tournament veterans cemented omu legacy our world football. So it is a tournament where stars are born, where veterans cement their legacy in terms of omu quality of madanedi in recent times. It over in 2000 Euros aye boy France ni Italy na kobo the final in Euro 2000. Now, our French national team now, veterans almost cemented on legacy in that particular tournament, you know, for France as a national team, because they started tournament, almost look as favorite. And Miriam say, now World Cup 1998, France naje. So coming into Euro 2000, no, now Obia wo GDS France beat my for this particular tournament. They show monaso. It Laurent Blanc was the oldest player within that particular team. A Korea tournament in me, he had cemented his quality and his place as a top veteran in that particular competition. Where stars are born. After 98, in 2000, Nicolas Anelka, Thierry Henry, MOPA, David Trezeguet, who said this is a tournament where France, and more top stars be the Barbontain. It was Italy. That was the tournament I Francesco Totti. We had Ciro Ferreira in that particular tournament, but where Francesco Totti being a star that was bet out of that particular tournament, you bear witness and say this is a tournament where veterans cement their legacy and stars are born. Euro 2004, Greece any Portugal they board the final. Now in this particular Portuguese team, no, Yebeka's a veteran or cementing a legacy in that particular tournament in the power. Fancy Di Maria was Luis Figo. Luis Figo didn't see in China. Greece forward player Bia, no more friend is Zaragorakis, Theodoros. Or no, Anane the captain of the side. Onane the oldest player de Greece. Ekoriasiano na omu asemente omu plays as veterans. Let's not forget about Dimitri Papadopoulos in that particular tournament. 2004 Euros. Stars are born. He was 22 years at that particular time. Among the young players, no munya akwenya estatima the Greece national team, no, he was there. So 2004, Bema Luis Figo ni Cristiano Ronaldo for Greece. Zagorakis and Papadopoulos.
Yes.
And I'll be almost on bit my team. Now, remember Euro 2008. Euro 2008 in Benya, Spain, and Germany. In that particular tournament, Germany gave out. Yenim said the veteran or cementing the place in that particular competition was Michel Ballack. Now the Michel Ballack in the turn China, Fancy Di Maria, Oba Mario Gomez in that tournament for Germany. Down a star was bet out for Germany through Mario Gomez. Then, because Mario Gomez was going into the tournament, he had 10 goals with about 10 matches with 6 goals. Michel Ballack was on top of his game going into that particular tournament. Then, Odianono Koton Chenya, over Spain, 6 Fabregas in that particular tournament. Then, for Spain, there was a Juanito. Even in the same 2008, in Spain, it's also my Sergio Ramos.
Yes.
So it is a tournament where stars are bet out, where veterans cement their legacy.
Every tournament every edition
Every edition beer. Iti yebekwa babe si ebia 2016 Italy beba yeba even 2020 ebori and say ya Italy beje ye. Who are the veterans? You can talk about Giorgio Chiellini in that particular tournament. The level of quality or done in that particular team. Over England, you look at the likes of Marcus Rashford, Bukayo Saka and Federico Chiesa for Italy. So it is a tournament where stars are born, veterans cement their place. So after the first round of the Euros, Fancy Di Maria, I was looking and say, teams here, this is my favorite, which stars are born, which veterans are going to cement their legacies in this particular competition.
Okay.
Fancy, after the first round, me pick teams be I Germany as the host nation. Me, I've always say Germany name number 1 when it comes to teams on the Euros. The reason why Tiamefa Germany near say a host nation, they have their national team behind them and they are doing everything to make sure. But in this particular German setup, after the first round, the veteran being and cementing a legacy more and more, you can talk about Toni Kroos. Fancy, after the first game, Toni Kroos misplacing how many passes?
And
the influence on the team, playing as the controller for this particular team, has ensured that he could be the man to ensure so are cementing a legacy as a veteran. In terms of stars to be born out, Jamal Musiala. Wafa tournament in the Boso. He's literally being the one man deciding games for Air German, and not only him, Mike Florian Wirtz in this particular team. So you look at Germany and you look at Musiala and you look at Florian Wirtz, these two players. And after the first round, kasa about Germany, Obeka Toni Kroos, Obeka Musiala, Obeka Florian Wirtz.
Yeah.
In Spain. Now, Obia Bubodin, in terms of veterans who wants to cement their legacy, Nacho, Alvaro Morata. But Obia her first game ni bibia her Nacho Dinya Fancy Di Maria. Mejito me said Nacho is coming in with a top form from the UEFA Champions League into the Euros. Ashase no look a little bit jittery, any shaky in the game. But in as much as the game grew, where Croatia, but game most times, you could see Nacho was the man organizing the defenses and controlling players with Marco Correa said the Bayer on bet imagine the right places. Veterans to cement their place. Nacho Fernandez approved in the first round for Sompa is going to be there. Only Alvaro Morata. Experience. Stars to be born out. Jamal, 16 years. After the first round, the influence in the game, he could have literally had 1 goal, 1 assist in the game against Croatia. Because when the assist or the man Nacho, Danny Cavallal, Emma Cavallal to me now go in the moment. Then nobody had a chance. No, that was a good save by the Croatian goalkeeper. Can you say 1 goal, 1 assist? But the influence in the game, 1v1 situations on Mavadio Bre, Papa. And Yamal is a star born in this particular Spanish team for the Euros. You look at Portugal. Yabeka Cristiano Ronaldo. But fancy, nipa after the first one, what catching me eye for Portugal pa? Hey, Pepe, 41 years. My, oh my. And quite fast organizing the defense. He's still aggressive. Pepe looks much more matured. And fancy, from FC Porto, Yahusu Abo Madrid, Wako Porto, Odina can now born home more than these teams. But I think if there's a veteran to cement in a legacy in these Euros, after the first one, if Portugal should also go forward, untimi ni Pepe and Fanny Sinchen. Yes. And fancy, Pepe Monemona or Dan Edina, 41 years. And center back a crowd. Also, normally, at Omaya Towns or Mu so midfielders, Kakrani, strikers, and no matter Fako passing no Agina home. But this is a center back who went head to head with the likes of Patrick Schick. And not a commandeer, so solid. And look at the stamina. 41 years as a center back, and you could cement that place. Then a young star to break out. I think Francesco Conceição, this is a way to announce himself in the tournament. Francis Di Maria, throughout the qualifiers in the friendly matches at Portugal born recently, friendly matches on born recently, he was one player I was looking because Portugal in terms of their right wing, Bernardo Silva, Katin, no abobo be their shame, ne kone baby. Ano mwanya neto na neto konya injury. Neto recover enche oboka krebi ma rules no saba back to the Euros. Now you have Francesco Conceição who have played for AFC Porto this season. The number of goals are could that way yashe. And in your man all Pedro de Bano, he could look forward, say, or no, ebetime the star that is going to be born for Portugal in this particular competition as a winger. Said in 2004. I'm not saying so live up to the expectations of Cristiano Ronaldo, but it's going to be a star to be born at this particular level. So after the first one, fancy these teams now, me who almost set the tone in terms of deliver bibino. Fancy with their veterans being in place to cement their legacy and stars that they are bringing it out proves a bit far in this competition. But we say England, England or favorite in this particular competition. Memedi kaka per their past history. England on Euros nibida. The best performance was in 2020 Okobo the final. But England and Kasa within their setup, no, who is the veteran who is going to cement his legacy and who is the young breaker star that is going to come out?
Can youngster na be on bit me show up no. Enye too early so be Adagulane Yama comparison.
Fancy Adagulane Yama, you definitely always going to have it because of the Real Madrid Barcelona asem.
Okay.
Webo Real Madrid, Webo Barcelona. Uchumutai na okosroba form. It will come in. Ebe piemu dia basisi she Brazil and Spain. She the way omoyen about Barcelona and Real Madrid because of Endrick and Yamal and all sides were on them. And will be attention so it will never go away, especially in this tournament where both players are making sure so metimia step up, no metimia mon performances netimia kosoro. Fancy. Now, and only a boom compo de kwe anymore, Fancy Di Maria. Obere ni mu say, obi akasa na Pep Guardiola players ko tournament omo nyade and omo players na system the favor mo Fancy Di Maria. These are things that personally I believe say somewhere it might be true that some of the players fit into the system, but generally you can't say Pep Guardiola players are tournament and they are not performing well. Fancy Di Maria. In terms of this competition, yanya a careful study of baby and Manchester City players in the war and no more performances on Madanedi, then you understand whether we are being right or not. But Pep Guardiola has a certain legacy be laying down apart from England penners had an intimacy. When Pep Guardiola coached, it was Spain did the World Cup. Meboa in 2010. Obana be PM Germany. Abra Pep Guardiola ko PM Germany no coach Bayern Munich no. Bayern Munich na dey. Germany na the World Cup. Meboa. Oba England no be coach Manchester City. England ko World Cup o man timi anye. Omuko Euro sususu a omukọ to so second. The reason why Pep Guardiola amafo wogidie bi say Germany team no na Pep Guardiola wonsa wom ni Spain team no wonsa wom ni ese. Teams are not coaching
no players
na dominated these particular teams.
National side.
It took Spain now you still have Xavi Hernandez, you have Andres Iniesta in that setup. Ubenya the likes of Cesc Fabregas, Munyo Fifi Bermuda Ababe Pima will be the Spanish national team. It is the spine of the national teams was dominated by class Pep Guardiola was coaching. It took a PM or Bayern Munich. Oh, behind him said Bayern Munich players who call Germany national team dominant. So key component of these particular teams, it's a Kimmich. I be boni ding. I heard they said Joshua Kimmich boy. You say it was Bayern Munich. And you look at these players, influence on Menya. It's a watch. So when they come into the national team and fancy the Maria, it is not difficult for them to click. Unlike Manchester City, where Manchester City in terms of players no makako PMO Euros in fancy the Maria. Our Belgium, Kevin De Bruyne, Jeremy Doku. Our Croatia, Josko Vadio, and Mateo Kovacic. Oko PMO England, John Stones, Kawok and Phil Foden. Oko PMO Netherlands, Nathanaki. Oko PMO Portugal, Jean Cancelo, Ruben Dias, Matheus Nunes, and Bernardo Silva. Oko PMO Spain, Rodri. And Oko PMO Switzerland, Manuel Akanji. Fancy. These individual players, and some of them know you prove your right. Say, if you are system players or under Pep Guardiola number perform. For example, Phil Foden for the national team. The Padodo na the action in any BBO. Sompa Foden over England. I said that money. Yes, said that money. But Okopimo Manchester City, he's their best player. Let's not forget, say, you real season, you know. Why energy best player will league in him? But individually, so it be so prove you wrong, say. When no matter the system, Pep Guardiola team, no more national team, a bit is Manuel Akanji. Who players are making most ball recoveries after the first round of the Euros? Manuel Akanji can 11 ball recoveries.
The Pep effect.
Fancy, he's doing so well. What they are not telling Nathan Ake for the Netherlands has not been bad. Rodri was literally one of the best players for Spain. Matheus Nunes in the Portugal need to own be more because if you want any pressure, if you want to annoying. Jeremy Doku completed the most dribbles after the first round with the Euros or a bad. The boy I watched, Kevin De Bruyne, was not worse as people make it to be. In general, you can have a case with some individual players, but what's another set of individual players for Pep Guardiola within their national teams. They are doing so well. And Omuni also more national team back and I don't know dominant. He said they know Spain, no Germany ni City no. Timunya abotre.
Meza. Yes, the sports meza akumia adene diaba me ba Michael Asare bodu na Michael adene die no enso aba still live on Sompa 93.1 FM, live on Sompa TV, and of course live on Facebook. Way a full time Kanjin and I just drinking water in Swini ya bomodi anso be pebi ano mo amosemo pe machine bi atono monko aya Kanjin penifone nche ombemamo Kanjin machine bi na monso maba be twamu nsuo e wo fie basa de free na kura untiska ento bi nsuo wa obe nsuo fie ya wo pH tester e wo hono ma de testing nsuo awon sampa nsuo na alkaline water ono nsuo bia wo kidney enya problem ono nsuo no bia wo liver enya hawo ana fa akoma no ensi 04 enya de cardiac arrest ebetimi ache we sansa abrebia akoma no wahoden akoma no be pompi moja no amache se ne padua no so anya ne mfa hodie num nsuo bi esanse magnesium, calcium, iron, anafe, potassium ahemu me no ena esiesi oni padua ma ne padua no enso eye kama udru braman UGC a obenya bi ato afei obekọ ye abawa Ruth ana Tafuni Road eye 0241 449191 0507 379474 and after Global Care Recruitment Agency. Woman the amount for kwamano ne amama kwa ya juma was a visa or J ama when kwa na work and pay you be feed 3 times daily baby abe fa ka kwa juma ni nyina ya ka you be medicals ama oni nyina so ye free insurance obenya ye pay medicine for ye pay still fixes afei ye pay welders NHS marketing na sempo ye pay crane operators ye pay production for your performance and a heavy duty trailer your fabricators munina no monso mo betimi aba ama production supervisors for no monso mo betimi aba na maba ye adwuma manoma enso akokama ediamo adwuma no categories no enso eno no salary range from 3,006 equasi 30,000 and over we a Global Care Recruitment Agency number no ay 0552832681 my say bibia okay there.
Fancy nyamiadom na menya a confirmation from France. Now say breast here.
I also commercial.
Breast a Tom Brazia. Okay.
I'm an commercial. I'm okay to say a man be selling.
Exactly. So the issue is that once Brazia has protected the interest of Brazia Tom breast power. My breast are very popular. Good. And it's easy to be who Brazia. No be who Brazia. So what happens on the market? Why on a Tom Brazia?
Emma.
Exactly. So Emma will sell Brazia. So Brazia to Marcel means Marcel will sell Brazia.
I
bet on
Emma
sell Brazia. So Brazia to Marcel.
After say
a breast and enough protection from Brazia.
Straight.
Jamaica don't say.
Matthias here.
Once a Brazia no breast no.
Matthias here.
Mami chemu netias here.
Matthias.
Oh, nyabotre mami.
Ode me pacho. Opening me das here.
Mami besi mabako. Brazia no breast no. Or protective breast interest. And or boama breast qualify for the Champions League. Now, Brazia abeye a center of talk, abeye a topic of interest. Obiaka Brazia wasem. Good. Se Brazia abeye topic of interest. Now we are seeing in huna. Obia person who Brazia chrono. So Marseille ebe projecti Brazia. It means Marseille ebe Tom Brazia. And no.
Okay.
It's a very good deal. Where the man does it.
Mine I so soon wife Sebi no for say Sebi.
Yeah.
So koto Brazia or Tom Brazia. Say unza size no nim.
Yeah.
To meza so nua no de ade no koso. My fear no we se no be fro Kenya. Set it no munyanye Kenya.
It will take a new near
and take me now I say meet in yes can share right pockets. No transfer the ba ha no yes can ma meeting. Or once anymore ahia go. Orion was a Jenny, I was Jenny back. No Kenya was a Tom Katagade go. No be born Sunday and Sunday yes.
Your dear no.
Omoda so konkra me no ka say.
Oh, so I find a good. And the man omut me celebrate here.
Oh yes.
Euro 2024. Young players at the Euros are committed to Hunkomo Bebre. Andra, it looks like every match day piano. And Maya Kodaba Kwa. A sefatasi a can of one sem na bonabaso. And there were two kids for Turkey. Kinane Odes, Obojima Juve.
Okay.
Then Adagula for Real Madrid. Omu now were excellent for the Turkish national team. But mamenye bias kakra. Na men concentrate on Adagula. Was my baha bedine hunkomo bebre. The actual say, baby no, he's under the right leadership and not the right teacher. Nipo bit miatne no abuano. Escala Ancelotti. Into metro video, Bina Ancelotti China tire ball. The moment a boy transitions from a boy into a man, especially you are ready for the job market. Obi a co interview, obi a first job. I had the say a blue collar job on Kwa tie and Ancelotti is guiding Gule from boyhood to becoming a man. Because Oba Madrid na farmer wa, you need that. Omuje the 15 Champions League year. Ancelotti ne ma boy we Mike say Brana be kasabi. Sanka we no she chire ofere kakra. But ose beje Mike ne kasa na also introduce on facha man for. Initially he was very shy. No man kasa encouraging to go on. So under Ancelotti this boy will not just develop to become a good footballer, but will also develop to become a wonderful personality who is not shy of showing the world what he is worth. Into way no the perfect match. I say Ancelotti ne pedigree, the 1 year ne record, and then a young talented boy who needs such guidance. We are say Abraba bonus when nyasa atini and when nyasa anchreche na emfama. Samuel before he became a priest. Why not go down in China? Agomia why? Exactly. The priest of God, Eli. Although Otis will be friend. Eli gave Samuel the best of guidance. In the time on Ube Free on Samuel became a very successful leader at the God or Nujina Israel for Nanemo. Nina, you need that. Guidance is very important. Intina, the role of mentorship. Yes, where your Roma, the ocean is Yanano. Eboa. Christ the croc was a mon shamina munsia na deng during the Last Supper. Or si munsia na monfanya deng. Hey, so for boa me. Oh, so for say, oh, dear, or cardian. Okay, so you need to copy from superiors. You need to copy from role models. Mentor. And that is what Adagula is benefiting from. But at a club level, at a national level, he also needs to model his game around somebody. A bit Mia was doing veterans and I said those who cement their legacy and the youngsters who show up. I think in the techie team, the perfect example and the perfect role model for Adagule will be none other than the coach Vicente Montella. Wow, Montella Biano. He's a left-footed silky player just like Adagula.
Okay.
Go now, Andra Adagula Shano. A trademark Montella go.
Oh.
May you one of the best at the Abetro. Shadrach, Chego Nemaya.
Euro 2000.
Euro 2001. One baby.
Yeah, baby.
What are checking? Yeah, Euro 2000.
Euro 2000.
Really, Sanyon one boy Euro 2000.
Yeah.
But he was a player who climbed off the bench. And you go to be where Sampdoria. Montella then at Sampdoria.
Okay, so Montella Nikita Bono.
Nikita Bono. She go now, Ashano. Unfortunately, what Facebook unyan here. And yet similar to Adagula's go. Now, Adagula go no a solo effort which is brilliant, but there are also technical and tactical dimensions to it before the goal was scored. Now, Shadrach, mami way, the Adagula go no on the TV screen. I mean, Chenny will be show. A taking a possession. Now you better the ball na Adagula on the Belusu possession in the box. Georgia be winning ball no. But check the effort of Adagula. Olusu ball na no. He counter pressed or press it to win the ball again. Check on the number 8 no. Then take it for the big creative overload. In Tiababenya 3 Turkish players versus 2 Georgian players. Adagula the anchor press man. Into no the apia. Send a mistake in a now, Omoya sounds to be tribute. Omoya mistake nearby and fancy. He was available to receive the ball and the ball man enough space to score. Where are you coaching? So it gives one thing. He's a coachable talent. You'll be our trainer there. Check it. He was positioning himself. Oje ball now 1, 2 touches pa. This opportunity will not avail itself. So he scored a brilliant solo goal, but it was a goal worked out of the Turkish national team, no, or more tactical map or strategy. And this tells you, say, unya kwadasa, unyantiti pano no so chese or pepaso obesuya de na. He becomes the best. I
say Mezut was a Mudianabia. I was from Turkish.
Exactly.
But just Obama, Germany.
But we work rate, no, me sure say yeah, bro.
So Ozil Beka saying football number 10, say maybe not more discussing but or share Akodaria or who
exactly, and that is the point. Now, Shadrach Mame, young players are or Mashisha goals no heroes, no. If you score a goal, if you make yourself known at a tournament of this nature, and just automatically obey a very good player or a great player. Young players have shown up at tournament. These are the youngest goal scorers in Euros history. Johan Volanthen, Wayne Rooney. Of course, you say Rooney Euros. No, he eventually became a player who also won at the senior level. Give me the list again, please. Rooney Baye, Renato Sanchez for Portugal. Basically, he's fizzled out. Because of injuries and then decisions about his career. Dragan Stojkovic, then Adagule. So you can score goals, you can make a name, but going forward and better. And be a wow temperament and character, a coaching, and this boy has the 2 available at club level, national team level. Andra, now Montella on the 50th birthday, and this is the best birthday presenter from a boy or model to become just like him or even better than he is. Mbappe, Diano. France without Mbappe, how will it look? Mbappe so cool. France team ninya Mbappe nyoma so cool mo pa. But the issue is in his absence, nyoma so nkoye in France, and these are the numbers. 47 out of 66 games, fancy. If Mbappe starts for the France national team, our moving rate near 71%.
Whoa.
Now, 17 out of 27 games. If Mbappe does not start, France win rate 55.5%. He's a crucial player for them. And Ninani are justified by the goal and assist contributions when he's present and he's playing. Was the ever started tournament? Varas by the way, catch you say the reliance of the French team on Mbappe, no, I am a positive, but at times too, and you're positive. Say Mbappe, you're good tournament, France. If he doesn't, it becomes a problem. Now, Onim cry because he's likely to sit out the group stage. Any problem. Qualifying might not be a problem. But in the knockout, would they get Mbappe fully fit and ready to go? And that is a crucial issue because their coach and the tactics needed doing so mostly a far Mbappe channel and a DSA Jumano. So without him, it means they need to redefine how they play. And this is it. At the 2022 FIFA World Cup at Qatar, fancy uyi player, yeah, the open play sequences it was Mbappe 49 times in the France team. The whole tournament, the Onunya only Messi 53. So if Messi had 53, now Mbappe had 49. It is to tell you the contribution Mbappe here, and the open play attacking options for the French national team. Without him, why and France ever you see? France have potential. They have names, they have good players, but they are players who lack the temperament and the character. They said the Mbappe ne wono. Mbappe ne wa kumebia ultimate jibble season moment. They say World Cup final no. Yeah. No assist the destiny of the game. France team no. Your players omunim train. Dembele nim train. Onim crosse. Marcus Thuram. Omo enemy but omunni sa character ni bi. They said the Mbappe ne wono. And I think if they don't find it soon enough, it will be a problem for them, from what I see. The weaker teams are showing their competitive edge. Mekache was a tournament to win, and I abuna Mekache no. This tournament will mostly be about coaching, and coaching a close gap no between akese no any omwa ye feel so omon sheda anya de bebre. So Mekache can will game of a tournament now be kan dey. Agomia game of a tournament.
Belgium dey na mo lose ye na.
Georgia.
Turkey, Georgia. Good. Sharak, Mami FIFA rankings, for the lowest ranked nations over the Euros. So Sharak de in Toswa, check it, close in Kakra. Georgia the lowest ranked nation on the world rankings ever Mobile Euro 2024. Check it. Turkey and so Kahubi. So
and Slovakia.
Good. The last 6 lowest ranked nations. Turkey, Georgia, Albania more. But Albania gave Italy a good game.
Yeah. Yeah.
Slovenia gave Denmark a good game. Yeah. Slovakia beat Belgium. Romania beat Ukraine and all my favorite. Turkey and Georgia gave us arguably the best game of the round 1 Euro 2024. Austria and France. Coaches handling these teams really understand omu team no di omu ye. Any the omuntiminye. The omuntiminye, they don't focus on it that much. But the omuye no, omushemukina to try and improve and create something. And it's a coaching tactic working very well in this tournament. Now come here, Tony Cruz home come. Tony Cruz home come no. Maybe tomorrow, maybe bebro. But Foden, Charlie, Mususumbashi players.
Yeah, the say report from England. A company say Southgate enye na adwen say Obejai. Say Oma Foden ball from the left. Also, they not to left. Meanwhile, also na Pep Ebono. In game, Anna to say Liverpool boy na Arnold don't so the bomb midfield. Or because what's our boy.
You see, one mistake we often make is say you share the starting formation as tactic. Then now you eliminated the possibility. Say live formational or positional changes. Say game ne koswa. Ebi a ebe starting baby a mijinano. Say a starter per a best.
Yes.
Foden was drifting to a number 10 position in the game of Moboye against Airway Serbia. It was just a game and famano. And your Nyoma Mieno and Peseme Bosso. One, fancy squad dynamics, team balance, and a coaching organization. Where one of the issues. One, the squad dynamics say in the Man City team, why not Foden and enable the team balance not at the same. The squad dynamics any City striker why Ellen Haaland. England striker why Harry Kane. They are two different strikers. Now with City, Foden knows how to link up with Haaland because Haaland is always pushing defenders back. Haaland and drop it deep and ball embo.
Signing the ball week out.
So Haaland creates enough space. The team dynamics and our squad dynamics, no. Haaland never create space. The midfield positions are Foden bet me occupy. Kane no or drop it deep into our pest space elbow or middle hono. Harry Kane no bar ho. And that is how come a player like Jude Bellingham ever thriving playing with Kane, because at Real Madrid he was used as a false number 9.
Okay.
It is a Kane drop a bar. There is space for Bellingham to attack and to check it go no share no.
Yeah.
He ran into the box. Foden and yes our players in the he needs space in the midfield area to operate. Squad dynamics, coaching and organization, and then the team balance. Team balance beyond so they say England team no Sharak Mame Omo lineup no. Team bia no your baby or ma hoden kese wo. Ana baby or ma hoden no any. So what check here in the English team. Omo right no ahoden wo hosen left. One me yadwen. Good. John Stones a proper ball playing centre back. So England build it up from the back. They will prefer to use John Stones than Maguire. Kawo Trent Alexander-Arnold he will another progress. Passer. Then there is Bukayo Saka. So the probability say England may use the right side no more than on the left side, no, a higher, because on left side there is Maguire, Kieran Trippier ball out of position. The coach will not risk a lot, because or expose possession opponents bet me targeting where you so Foden apple from the left, it means so you will not get much of the ball, and Foden is a player who needs much of the ball to show us his quality at times. Before we even venture into pep no team no the squad dynamics does not really help him. He needs to metamorphose. How Obesia transition when he plays for Man City, when he plays for England, it might be a problem. We had Scholes Gerrard problems. There was a Scholes Gerrard conundrum with the English national team. So these are things that happen. Yesusumbashi players on side, and the game na and the ball na bono. A coach is net tactics in how we use to play. And a determined medasi.
Whoa. Menso medase akomia meza anafe asarebodu na awie no ayebehwe we ne kakra bi na ya dan ho ba ba na ya ba berem enso ofie no asante woro ko players nso modom to ye ne nyina no na aye wo ho Nioma sisi nti yede ho nsem ebeba latest ebeba wa bra luta enso eba na ya ba behwe efie ensem no yena cloud internet enso ase internet de obi ahia bi e woni fie eba ne stable internet connection afi wo pe bi e wo fie offices amunwumam ana echa se companies amuhia internet acha samo supply and ya call offices ni nyina mo no cloud enso ana beye ede amount de fast afi eno so betimi do ho ato so bono and so a from Kama open internet connectivity ya besa ma Wi-Fi and so mobile connected a jama chess or iPad or machine or NHS or tablet or mobile phone open CCTV camera installation when you near can say digital security locks I will say be a 2 fear NHS or offices in your baby at the amount is any panel or the finger to so now on your recognized Daniel so bit me a room nan can be say what about do bonnet cloud internet our top high tech equine so anya ira kwan kra for number 0244 601933 0202 699110 Ghana gross jumedi we no de kan say mabuno mumunti ne ja ba djuma ewo krom say unima na wonim we opportunity ema agriculture e da wo twen agribusiness and a sector ba ko ska efrimu eba pa so ho eba ne technical vocational skills no ya do be fam nti say wonfie no so your bana so your bema between the ages of 15 and so ekosi 35 years no ya momodi an say oni Ghana grows empany for ebe kasaway and so I springboard roadshow foundation and Mastercard foundation woman and Limehouse and our carbon erijumedi and so abana the tennis free 0308 255775 Ghana grows empany for no ebe so time about product ya time about Michelle pharmaceutical and herbal shops in yanum bi ebe boa what test for malaria and bas MPS no a positive dia wadro a time herbal Michelle ba wa fefro enye mam wa for lactating mothers no enye mam anaso ban wanya malaria na sempo wanya above 12 years amesro emane numbi nemom so ye penin na wanya malaria nkwa dia adro no no aye time herbal mixture be hunamre e de fru ni padwane mu time HH herbal mixture ana say obeto on time HH hair capsules no eye adwuma pa de ma ne mema onum bia obedi adanse me nkasa pi wan kasa general well-being ebeboa ebeprapra wase kwa bemua ebe kuma bi wase be kyese jaman afi bema bound chama sa ne kokra edin obeka se bedi ankwana so na mfa hwenye wura eye ade na anim ye a kyese number no eye 0244 417669 na chese product no wo so waji duro bi abesa wo gina fi wo de edi ojuma Liberty Conference e baso shano so me say June edition no yeyi assembly at the free Genesis chapter 2 verse 24. You say I shall marry. Now they tell say you can say I shall marry and you say be a marry no eya wade nko assembly e kan kasa wade a I will seek asem say be no chese ntem no ewa na osamo ye na mo ware na sika ehu a eba won chen e be o kwantu sem ewa e wo so ware akwantu e ma kwantu so ba won chen wo dwumadi a wo di promotion dia ka bia enom eya shall marry o dia oni a and so awapa ni nyina no fa wo shem where your food for thought omone oman hini ministries and akabam nyame ya doma June edition 29th of this month and about 6 o'clock anopa e Jubilee Park fa wo shem Mama Esther ba Dikin Sameba and a minister Kwame Jedu and so eba program ya se ya ba hu nyom ya ba chesa hinwan anim ya ba yo sorry ne atuntum nyame am ya de bisa de ne yakoma so ade aton ne na bitia bi mu wa ye adjaman amanioma so I fine edjamenti ano aye chese o man your dubuache minister no na dwumadi enso esi ne stress wa e de dwumadi enso bana wasia techniques no aye 21st clinic enso na beboa me say so uyo bia wo tinka say untini na efi wachi ba wo to ase wusrem wonan kokom no nan tu se mutwetwon na emu ya wonante a wote ya perfect say ya se ebia wusuamu ade abon sampa entini na na say edompena e wo chi no se emu shifte ko kakra bia e the pressure eto nerves no so anything ama wote ya pa no ntimi so nifa etimi so benkuma no so a etimi so namie no nyina bombu o ma timi kampam wotimi ka kwanyam o besa wo towa kombo 21st clinic ya ba boy be tu ase kwa mbiem ultramodern laboratory scan services and the body massage nyina no ye bayama ama ni paduano enso anya na ho de mapa ye wo sunyane e won kranza wo tachiman oboase aye council quarters ye ben court junction and cry dame market na kroma e hwa overseas junction enye yira kwan kra aye 0249 311 311 0540 311 na chese 21st clinic emperifono and so enjoy so yan komra ye ko commercial bank akabia ba ni aba be hwefie yan komra
Wana metesa wo ba no se wo Canada.
Oh, woko, okosuku.
Na yesi ejape aba no nso okọ na nso onu de okoye adwuma.
Me say, amanfo akọ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no hwana de won kosa no.
Oh, Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Pese otukwa kwa ama no ne de. Wo de obekọ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Next year visit and now turn so we call Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa what they obeko. Say ya juma so what they obeko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Asa for labor, runabout wa and crying. Kanachi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani Silver House, our High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Tamale, Teaching Hospital, Takrade, Market Circle, and our offices. Our my bebre so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and your what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say mani peduan kwamwa enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time time ebedwa so no wono a na the time herbal mixture edia bedwa so akora wonyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wopemfo ene oba wo ma akora nufo enso enum bi time herbal mixture wobenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time herbal mixture yedro say FDA ade adwadie nkratu atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford there na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben ninya Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena dey ya moku hu Ashford Princess and obra ko judie no so Ashford Galaxy wodie na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
without Ashford toothbrush
my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Ne to me bow dodomi ye dani bia akwashishaho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofabe daso. To phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They were Suhuni.
If I shop, I'm going to shut your bag.
And that's so beautiful.
See about Queen Wayne and say,
Bra, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy me fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Maybe I know this offending now.
Bra, some make us me the time about Mr. Huadansia. We are singing now about Temenka. And to say malaria, where do any time about Mr.
I never go, dear, no more to want to me any deal. What do any time about Mr. A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one mark for down for any aquada when you fear do me and son of the time about Mr. Drabino. Shasa wako hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3D malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Mr. I feel malaria fever be adani ziba a woman. Even slap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to draw namu. FDA aji a judging cratoi at all.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye brakasa nko nuaban ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agiatum
efiewura nom mo fa maso mfa mekakra na nige sama bakrom mo amodan ho papai mo ensuoso no nom fam no ama ho nyina frofro any leakages ahodo eham wo mu fie iPon2 contractors added the polystyrene insulation aba eno na babua medan na papai no any ensu a eno nom dan ho ama ho nyina frofro no eto nyina betwa iPon2 contractors say so what to blocks na wia enhia so be plaster kra bi omo wo fiber cement plastering mortar ye dey fa dan no ho nyina enhia so be to cement on twa bia na wonhia painting so esanse iPon2 contractors at the fiber cement plastering mortar no efa ho wia ebe te se ya painting dan na wiempo enti dan ho be so na ha fefefe iPon2 contractors ama sense de ne ma yefo e de ma fie wuranom ne bo nso da fom na efe wo de your dan so echem fie pi na emfa ehyew bia so e ma dem iPon2 contractors aye expert in construction interior and exterior decorations e wo fie ahodo nyinem de hia ni so be from 0555 118-684. Shishayan.
Ewo Abrepo Junction, ship mu a ben JP filling station.
iPon2 contractors wo we die. Enso bia no nom ye dan bie. Dan ni nyina so be ye fafi bo.
Games 2024. Wole Monko. Ghana's all-time top scorer, former Black Stars captain, Samuajan, the Baby Jet at the All Regional Games 2024 edition of the Beshishaso All Regional Games, a mini Olympics. Just a man tam doing Sia walk, my Ghana Muno, woman in Abesia can mu ebi. Now the Tiani said, we are Babuno, so your bar and our Bema, when you finish a doing air corner, you are can see outdoor, ebi any football, volleyball, arm wrestling, boxing, athletics, basketball, table tennis, and a lawn tennis. Soon Mr. Gremubia Uyadia, but what do you call your website? www.allregionalgames.com. Neko register Emma Omantamu. The Unyade registration, Ebia Ogana card, and now passport or national health insurance card or birth certificate. And on how to register. So your registration if you are, you be data, or the back Mantama woman, no acquire justify your inclusion. Umadi Mosanipe, Mantamo Ebefow, Edu account one final tima, whatever the grand finale, Ebebasu 4th November, Engrano Eho, and a trophies, medals, and ya Chedia Odua Edasono, Mantam Nina, Ebeshia, nobody a faso, and Benefosia Magania Magashia, and you Wamagaho, so Penchemubi Afre, 0267 084048. Jumedie, so Peso Swasini, and now sponsor. Call your website www.allregionalgames.com. All Regional Games 2024. And Wole
So wallpapers, papa OP wallpapers, and American for amount. So wallpapers, their decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye perhaps a hoto. Baby bia unya wallpaper, dear do Juma Biano. OP wallpapers, Efro. Yaman wallpapers, a macho blind curtains. A band of bedside lamps and so on. OP, MR types, or mark shapes. Colors out doing na. Ubenya biato, ewana sweho. Say open LED backlight, Eddie above flash screen a chia, and also OP, Ebemo. So selfie ring lights, outdoor phone bishim, OP wallpapers, and a bema selfie ring lights. OP, Ewo Kumasi Doom, first floor, Nana Kwesiajman building, Tafo GNTC building, first floor, and a chronom or barrier on the market and a dianimshe. So open wholesale and answer retail, any OP, any in South. Free OP, our 0540 353750.
The Mama Kwababa, Gentleman Dental. Gentleman Dental Clinic, you do my say you be CC will sing, now your bow sing by Amawonum, and so Ati and I say, or sing animal yams so far and to my pa. If you fix one no, and I say, you tap for the permanent one no, and also you see a ultimate aim to be, and no, and you feel the PFM bridge, and I say PFM crown. I feel you sign a cleaning services about your profession, your friend is killing and polishing. Say, Ibia and never be as she a cinema, said you Okasa, it's me, my pampan, and I the Ebo, Oba Gentleman Dental, yet Nina be a Gentleman Dental Clinic, Koforidua Central Police Station and Chenwa, and I would do and kind so sway Wonungwa, and atomic down, Domekwa being a runabout on so, and I would do Takwa the pipe one, traffic light and a pipe one, Yannick OGN Bank and with the same premises, and a Kachiman so your magazine market a quine so, or an assay opposite AY Ambe, and I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction, Total Filling Station, traffic light now, and if G runabout on, who free Total Filling Station, I have brought sign on a idio, a year free Edda Joda Popem Edda Memeda. With me, Afreya Homano, it was 055 913 9582.
Yay! Food for thought to free! Liberty Conference. Dear friend, Anna Franeku, as a
also say say telecell to telecell no to other networks ni nyina no ma nkomodie fine internet no so gina so power boss wa na ebie o de hwe movie so de din komo video calls ene dia kan nyina no mo gina so WhatsApp call ne ne kan say Zoom ni nyina no so de telecell adarama o say register telecell cash so what the best send this car untua charges a che say omo dwumadi omo di no enso kamanti bomoni enso be switch na so na jo sim card sisi am na wo ka say register san yo mani nyina na fa be kan busuan ho telecell say connecting energies Kulun Ghana Limited way China for enro a chesa no Chinese herbs China quality enro ana wo ho omode ba Ghana mamu enye ne achepa na drefa no say araba bazin tablet oba say oni be machiam untimi nye je ho ema ne nye yi akwa no tum ema ya dish ene wushi bia mete be ma hoto so masa unim so untimi enye manoma anya simple nye favorable wo de kan no tum ye mpa na agish bia 2024 ye twafene mu mienu agish e wo se mu jaika to pedra fan saraba bazin tablet menstrual pains ebeko menstrual disorders ebejana fe irregular menstrual flow enso bibia ebeye fine unim papa na ye bone Mr. Q enso aye memedru eno na beboa ama chese bema so banem pama obegina na so pa bibia be kama sexually se bema wa emre premature ejaculation boss watatata na wo sene enche no afiri so a wadru no aye Mr. Q afei slow erection nyina no so beko bema so eni kwa so ogina oba mo ha adwen no oba ne kra so okọ maku kraba na odi oba ne ntete oye wadwuma yi a won tetenti padwuma no padro no preko na ye ho adwuma yi ana fa hunchu capsule se beboa ama chese ne kan se prostate no eno so bebo ho ban yaw na odwonso awote ana so pese mpo odwonso na ni kwan se suso egu shots no ma ne nyina no enso ye hunchu capsule se dro ana ye kanfo e di ama na no pay pharmaceutical shops herbal shops ni mo 0244 275429 0206 275429 1016 Boris B chicken akukɔ no ɛdɛ ɛnam deɛ ɛm sɛ wonya deɛ da na yɛ kama pa akukɔ nam papa ne bi nie wei ɛyɛ halal ɛne sɛ woyɛ aduane de asoma wo hɔ ebia na obi yɛ muslimi ne mesraw ɛnkɔfa nsɛm ma yɛ aduane ne kama ɛma nipa ne bɛdi ɛnkɔnkɔyɛ haram akukɔ no yɛ halal ɛsan sɛ yɛ nuanom kramofoɔ yi ana yɛ bibia kama ɛnti sɛ woyɛ restaurant anaasɛ bi atwɔba mo a moyɛ kyɛ sɛ fast food mo a motɔn ɛyɛ fried rice nom ɛne kyɛ sɛ nuane wɔ kwan ho a motɔn wakyefoɔ no mu a maka no nyinaa no akokɔ nam no full chicken wings ɛne kyɛ sɛ ne tiny gizzard no wobɛnya dodoɔ bi a wopɛ ɛnso atɔ Bantama High Street wɔne Presby asɔre ɛdi animhwɛ Poku Trading ɛwɔ Dum ana afei meka wo sɛ Santas one about nso no wɔne Unity Oil ɛnso ɛdi animhwɛ 0544444453 Boris B enso ebejo so na dia kan nyina no wo de asoso memfa we enwie na Lutambrai ye Fibo Ventures ebana Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Evidence Executive, Ashford Friendly and afi Ashford Galaxy no toothbrushes and a Fibo ediaba ya bomba baso san say omo product ne kama pa na udrupo segol na dudo bia beso to biano wonsa ebekam afi fresh about toothpaste get color toothpaste aloe anafe peppermint toothpaste no udi chill say anopa ene anwumre boawo ama onum hwam moye group studies obi nyin ne chese ne hone ento nchen oye bema o call wife anase bia u squeeze enho a onyin ne hone ento nchen sanse kisses no otimi fa ne ye bema so anase obanso bia o call squeeze enso ho a amoye ne mama ne ma simple crazy so onum hwam ne ma nyina ne wie peye enso de mama setena emma chese kaka ma osiase emma chese ogam enya problem ni nyina no toothbrush and toothpaste afibo akwakofa aba 0241 545646 0200 600 934. Yes, Luta Bibia okay dear.
Oh fancy boko na so e.
Kakaka.
Oso obi ko ne ho kania na
ni squeeze. Aye.
Okay. Ebi yeso ye kan osobo.
Oh.
Me ko me sobo ho.
Let's osobo din it.
Ko sobo. You have a fine.
Hey. Oh. Little see what you. Also
tetero kaprema for oro rihwe no atete na body say obe short
we said what who dey say ka titi anka be fa o na ka yi ahana
tell all the
Ebi ameka ila wo obo to fere David Bia David Bia Review
now so for the you dey be pa so for be amanim dan anim say how dey be no yi o afi
ba so oya project
now we be na say so be a project no be a project
so for all organize say share hala wa we ya adibedu impen na bia na me costed on fa Ash FM or na me ko Franco the Hater
okay
na sister bi me ne Franco the Hater gina no ba brai said we say atete na ho oyekuma senior na ela Franco the Hater say ade
mana na moti abonte na ho no
say oyekuma senior we ka say kompetua o se kuma se mrante na o matoto o mabodwe se wagina da bia blade da ho da bia yo sinata no so
ni abante nya wa fa
o mo se o mafa eyi no eyi ahwehwe no
da bia na o da bia odi ase
o ni blade to say fancy enko anim na a brother say we do na no pay abra ye be breaking it down, touching it down, knocking it down e wa fi say mu diamond en chase free former Black Stars captain Baby Jet asamo jana so ye en chana me be breaking story bi di ma o e say wa piem o Zanzibar ni nyina say o piem o me friend Zanzibar o man panyina ye friend no His Excellency Dr. Hussein Imini atimi atonsa e dia fra asamo jan e say omra omanu emedea waso omra na omebua na omu en discuss on sport youth empowerment na biantim nya kama emfama online serebe ya nim dia asamo jan enya no wagu kansem no especially eba football mu a ombetimi so de abo omman Zanzibar ama bia kama na nura okopia mo Zanzibar omo emra shebedwafia omo speaker of parliament etimi acknowledge asamo jana na enya fadi agrokra na me patro me ente speaker abra omo acknowledge Baby Jet asamo jan e was Zanzibar omo parliament house
wa kimataifa ambaye tuko naye hapa, ambaye ningependa tumtangaze tena ili sote tuweze kumuona na ni mheshimiwa huyu ni mchezaji wa timu ya taifa ya Ghana, lakini ni mchezaji maarufu anajulikana, ni ndugu Asamoah Gyan. Karibuni sana. Karibu sana. Karibu sana Zanzibar, karibu sana Baraza la Wawakilishi. Asante sana. Sasa Mheshimiwa Mwenyekiti, naomba nikukaribishe ili utoe hotuba.
Nese ushaya baby jet Asamoah Gyan ewo mrasebe for Zanzibar nese uroma adajeni poso ena abra speaker acknowledge say Asamoah Gyan ena apiem ewo ho a chese parliamentarian senior do monsa ebo mo man akwaba ama biaso atimi ayekama eno de dawa de emamo na yengwam nyemfa nsama odo ento so emamo urama MTN FA Cup fanas ni todwa nyame pa na otwa eden na wie Sunday ewo University of Ghana Legon Stadium na etima ye fa no bofo kwatano eni tiwefani suatreman ena de ebepim so na 6 p.m. ena MTN FA Cup fanas no ebetimi atodwa na uroma insuatrema boboko no reporter metine na no pay ese nyame pa Friday anumre ena ombetu afri insuatre kro no akopem onkan na MTN FA Cup organizers no omo say ombefa teams ni me no obia hoka on accommodation a night baako entuba ba pem Saturday na se omafa hoka na Sunday wo the game no etuma pem so na se insuatre my force da bi omde ombekọ Friday na omakope bebe training sana Saturday omo say akọ officially say MTN FA Cup organizers no ebe be omo cost no na Sunday 6 p.m. the game let man to so ma bibia atimi aye fine eno edie dona bofo kwata no ye rem sambo koda bai bofo for say omunya take decision da ombe free sunwane atimi akona mom na bofo etimi aye training omunya break it team no after Premier League season no eba na we no said so atraman for esu enya break omu team no bofo for say omugusu ye training abo ma bia so aye fine na robo for kwata no mu captain ye fa ne Saka Dauda ono so no be kam the 20 esena no Friday ene na otwe okopemo babiani ene Gold Stars eco transactive business na de mete omu negotiation no etimi aye kama report eba no sene final game admo bofa kwata no ebe on Sunday FA Cup final no ebe no yep o Johnny Gold Stars kotoko eso the submission akotum eso omunya Dauda Saka enya bad na so mete oni Gold Stars nkomo no adro chirepa enu edeba ye de emam odwumade no so na MTN FA Cup no officials no omo be girema to ayire ama be kama no emanko a ena omo do omo diaba eso betwa me be kama ena center referee Rita Watten in cancer on edin from abesha na funum ashen aben obegina finfin saso assistant line 1 Alex Farizwa Chakule ono ebe line 1 and line 2 no ebe Patricia Chra and a line 4th official ebe Juliet Apia and a match commissioner now Odofole Norte omo and ebe trauma game no 6 p.m. University of Ghana Stadium Legon etimi abaso eno edie fro eba ye de emamo dwumade so na urama emfantu anim ese Ghana season no aba na wieye na ba na wieye ene ko brekum Chelsea ene no panyo ye executive chairman ye fen Obed na Kwame Nketia ene bi say nana na so far ultra this season hooliganism course wo ye centers outdo no say ena na sitie
na wo fom say wa corner ye tackle wo dressing kwana no sa na manema de normal but nya kani bi ane de ewa na wo fom pa If na ya be me bo mo ba so that. Na wo fom se say wa
na e wo form eno ye nsema na Kwame Nketia Brekum Chelsea opan popropo editu dwa eno kire buza nsa Steven Amankwana C row ne de ne C row ne de C row ono oba kotoko anteboy na wantimi amo wo kɔ ba bi o se maafi maduane meba na waseba na de ntina Steven Amankwana kɔ ba bi a wantimi mo na oba Brekum Chelsea na goals no osasa this season was 19 goals etimi agi a goal king no Premier League no dentia
so woni pa bia suban a wutimi nan sanete ko na vaza isi plan sanete because o fanete bia player we dey o stubborn o tite no wa ko na be patone na nantene ko na be patone na kata unya hwehwe entry player no nti o player no ni su ne ban na ho kwa
o player ni su ene ne ban ene sadia woni ne benante a obia no betimi na 30 clubs no nese mo hu ni su ban tina Amankwana ba wontimi ntoto ntena no eno ye nsama Nana Kwame Nketia executive chairman edima Brekum Chelsea editu dwa ede emamo na Roman Hearts of Folk kwaso NCC National Chapters Committee anope omo de krataba na release a omo de aba no mepacho Shadi Fato so ne yenhwe omo se omo pa omo supporters ni nyina chaw na Hearts of Folk omo season na ankoye amfa mom no owura fan Elvis Herman Hesse esen kancho bia so omo so omo ka hu bi na the National Chapters Committee NCC of Accra Hearts of Folk Sporting Club omo se omo statement omo de aba no with heavy heart and a deep sense of responsibility. It is with great humility that we acknowledge the disappointment and frustration caused by our team's performance last season and the recently concluded 2023-2024 football season. Now in some doors ni nyina say omo hwase no ma ankoya mfama team no omo supporters no so omo do omo mfom so editum na omo mpanyimfo kabom said omo betoto no mana no anyame pa next season phobia ebefa ne ntuma pafra na bibia so atuma kama edi ama womo enu ye de don Hearts of Folk babia ni Gold Stars player ofri ayapoa no your friend Frank Amankwa, me know cause almost 90% done. Say or journey out to football bokono or one cry no nyina no wakra. One has empen for 18 komo na obe journey out to foka obe call as a free agent and you per reporter metia mi jejamu eso edi amamo dwumade no so na ukorora ma Hearts of Folk team no omo break omo sinya me per Monday and Hearts of Folk team no ebe resume training abe prepare for Democracy Cup no I say bibia ebe tumi I fine edi amomo na omo ebe ba Monday ne Roma Asante Kotokwa omo say official communication bi ankoso eseda say na eseda say and omo mra me prepare for Democracy Cup Hearts of Folk no Kotoko ebe on the 5th of July no omo anye communication bi amom na mom ba so omo ba empanyfo ebe to kese e de achiroma mo ba back eno e de dona Kotoko de mo de Kotoko na musum e de say nyina say any date 19th last month kwebi nyanyi wo makatua eso Kotoko omo breaking ya omo ebe kona eno opem so Asantuma wura ye nana sida bi me ma me desha no ma wie season no je me pam anya ma me de na me ma mfa ya fupan kofie no makom no mu na kira busua ena wo fa bo na pa no we ye won ka obra no landing no won ka obra no Kotoko no aba no aba puto de no de bae we de nura omo akatua na ye tue ni nyina eda mo omo ese mo mfa kofie na obiantim nto bibi mfa nkoma busua ti Kotoko na no bofo omo gi bonus eno massage monthly salary no eno ede fro bed mamon na dem ti se Kotoko opem so wo so adoma no aboso no yato amomo players Kotoko mete season omo do beba no almost class e bi kroma din koma wie amebi dia kwan koma no eso aduru akire eno ede eba na nura Kotoko players no ebi kocha IMC no na ebi ye twoma guse chichare aburo na se dia mete se ye ja ebi kwan na hwe Kotoko list omo dia ban players omo release omo ye edu ebako na list no ebetimi akọ du eye aduonu mienu edine Kalu Watara
sa di when I me te kra say obi kra afro oguma cancer bi a kire oguma ho ese so nyame anim koto kalu atara padma kotoko no omuni hwe ka kire no Nicholas Osebonsu Nema moja Nema kwan Isaac Kopon omoja no kwa guest na Japan kuna we fa kotokotu o omoja no kwa Nicholas Mensah John Tedeku Sharif Mohammed defender Serge Eric Zeze Danlad Ibrahim Moas Pote Bami Danlad video na no pa kotoko dia ba omso shase kotoko as a boy and when you be man omso wenya goodbye omote Emma Danlad Ibrahim no na omunim seba bi okobia no omo ewo hye no se no mabekwe ediama no. This is not a goodbye. Asante Kotoko will forever remain your home. Thank you for these 8 years of growth and for the success we achieved together. All the best for the future. Lagata as you leave us at the end of your contract. Danlad Ibrahim. Ne dia Kotoko dia jano kwano no. And the video dia bana Rashid Norte. Eso no akon Facebook page and wakotro bi the afa Danlad Ibrahim was say it was a nice having you as a teammate, bro. Wish you the very best, Danlad Ibrahim. And also Rashid Norte, Edia or de Abanono. Na Richmond Lamte, Kotoko for the maintenance. Omu pushi, pese, omu renew contract, no, eme pay fine. Nenu Brenta Richmond Lamte, the fina so Abanono. Na Brenta Steven Desem Kuala, onu de Kotoko renew contract, no, per communication, akoswo muntemno, and ya dese ombe renew. Na Kotoko players, no. Dia metin say ebi ekopie IMC no IMC ne catch am say ombeti asam o matem ne to am contract no omo aka 2 or 3 seasons no na say ombeti am yetuo omo ka boso aka to omeje na nso mo nka Kotoko plans umbiem ana so ombe prem o matem ne to am contract no ebi so omo do ombe colon ni nyina bless bi catch mpanyfo no say omo ntimi nyina o instantly and take a decision omo managers omo lawyers and to omo consult to omo ansa enti no omo gigi tu mu no and so far 11 no aba list no ebi ebesi aba eno e de amamon na coach Nurundin Amadu eye Samates omu coach eno no ono so dem say coach to Samates structures no say and Samates structures no etie
believe they come the no we dey abo we mu kwa dey e ma omo 2 meals every day na just omo 1 meal per omo dey omo sika beto. Other clubs bibi ni hoza intatuma kwa se mete o mo so mo madua na bibi o ha 1 meal kwa unya na ketua no so ye de emba enti no hardware nutrition is very key in football because energy levels of the players na say omotumi didi ye
there's a structures in terms of football and it goes beyond 3 points. Definitely because obia one is respective rule I say obo. If one year you will be answerable.
And no summer coach Nurundin Amadu wana Ghana League no or guide the summer test mamuji or say uko timbia ba kuno krano ye chekia nessa anopanu ni dia bobe 11-12 na wafa breakfast and lunch no wafa bom neso anopa be dia wi be dia nwo be di o kwada krasa nya fruit bi krasa dia peso nutrition no protein carbohydrate ye adwuma na bia e fine obi dey say season be chance no na summer test anka so e coach no target no any say
so me buy na team no ya congregation or bandida me say oh say me ya dia kakra e wo kase ma ya dia because so munya baby papa da wa league table no so say yakoye nim but eduru baby no a ye bada soro no and then mo say ye yere ho a ye so e betima
ntenu wo bada soro no was after game ben na mo say da bi ba bia duru dem say ye yere ho e betima je league
and say okay, yep. First sound we na na Carolines no boy dey show mo no na ebe dey na mo say hey, yeah try bit my idea because they say bia the 10th be and 11 be ready. Okay, yeah going forward no second round no say yeah back for my I say team in middle of the table na dey na da ho go only big guns na ho and you know mo bia
enu ye de tie no na de de sorry na so bakaya ya de beto anu say oba NSC Ashanti Regional new director what be friend Kwame Bamensa esa ono ba se obema sports no afa ne ntuma pa friend to the boxing ba sentimentum a mo pound to boxing na event a mo de esa no eye Osekrom Street boxing na Osekrom Street boxing no ye so many areas am the 20 some baby or bantama saso asanwase ene emiama bebre na this weekend ena Osekrom Street boxing NSA Ashanti at the urban or bantama den air from 22nd June to 24th and that's 5:30 p.m. and eduma den shase into Osekrom Street boxing I just say NSA Ashanti outra mama party mo ene Mr. Bamu dianimu no omo hwama bia kamanti nyina so na nsama odo ya boaboa no yemfansia ene
wo mate Luther yeda say na Asante Woroko place no bebo mo so am say nyoma pi ne wom anra obi ka che me say that is the best period ever ono no kwa Asante Kotoko mo no period the more depa is our period we salary income not even 2 days
player na catch
then I will not date here say open so ntua
18 omotua na so kansa no na emu odesa den almost players no omo ye
Drew Abon unim say one funny tennis yana a referee because me the tennis to say fine Asante Woroko no de ban konkonkosi awie
dabi
anya abeko wanim ba club bia so awofi Kotoko na akobia so almost background checks e Kotoko so usu e no ban to say
he good because
attitude be training now so nko training na team na wodo woni ato so on sign
on say anopa Michael be san story na me de baba time nti ogum eno okasa about signings no and a season no so okasa nti samu ye discuss na breba because signings are last season players onu ado omo baaye
enu se na am se nchemu wom se utim se na bebe na no de nye kwan chenti ana kwa bio yes ye ba so na Express Group almost say brana ye found two kwan necessary midwives no mo die enie aye otono ye na ye do from obenya o pass score a school for no so mo SAT and mo GRE ana fe e brana say mo sat ni nyina no no so obeba na oba ba ye je visa ma ticketing wo konso asere wo se sikobia no benya na ne o ma ye fine ti akonto mu nsam de Express Group omo Adaroma Canada US Australia UK New Zealand and for Germany omo wasafo labor runabout and crime so omo ewo aye Kaneshi First Light one ma pay aye 0249000448 0555550067 na just one mpenfo no enso enkasamza Mike mumenye no round table na afi yemfa course no bi mfi
I think the concerns around Kumasi Asante Kotoko almost season abana we players are ye jomo kwamo makono I'm sure said there's a lot of questions and I'm expecting some free and as many answers there free coach Prosper na Teogumo I think the Kotoko has also provided us with the opportunity.
Well, Sharak Mame, the coach, the cast signing, so no, on one genuine phones or two because from the Amina and say,
of course,
who's the known Sanke Bianco, Birum Summer Text,
where there has been contention.
Time a bass has a pen Summer Text, players pin and them say,
and no, I want to make and when we are not casting the contention about Ogumswin at Kotoko.
Sompa Sports.
The main topic was about signings.
Yeah. I know about general phones were too.
So what I say, the main problem was about signings. Ude se video na ready now the kienti na yenhwe se de esititie wo Kumasi Asante Kotoko so. Okay, and you're ready. Fancy the Maria, and you're ready. And you're more general so car say the signings one yan right in here. The Edikan Fancy the Maria. Or some time our team they prepare some Mabesha this season, no. And as a time on appointment in here ready see and fan no. Not the main target now also to me sign your money and not teams are all on your money engage.
Yeah.
It will resort to Division 1, Division 2, need Division 3 players.
Our boys never disappointed.
The boys never be disappointed. Fancy the Maria, Division 1, Division 2, Division 3 players, no. These were the same players our coach who catch saying about project na 3 seasons project. Me boy. Coach Dr. Nate Prosper Ogum. You told us say a 3 seasons project. Itima Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters mo home play mo bebre because league na ya abotre. Dana ye be yi wo kire ye I was there.
Na say akwa ese mo so no mo twen results. Oyentie coach.
Were not the ideal ones that I wanted, but then because of the period when I came in, most of the players I wanted had already been engaged by other clubs, so it was very difficult to get them. For the signings, I think the players who came in, to me, what I expected from them, I couldn't get from them. So I would say, as far as their performance, some of them, not all of them, some of them, their performances wasn't anything to write home about. So it became disappointing. As a coach, I'll take the blame. I'll take the blame. The blame shouldn't go to anyone.
Also, Obe take the blame. Agreed, coach. You need to accept the blame. And who also change so there? I was say me ba, and I say who kasa so I was say me ba. Because more or less, you knew what you were doing, and you made these mistakes. And you know the caliber of club you are coaching in the shape of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And the whole repercussions are supported so be any muso on sabeti maka. Season now because they know Musiti Peno. And why explain yourself? I'm young who didn't acquire those signings. Agreed. But the question also comes in, say, there were some of the players too, you were ready to take them to Samatex, they be do a chidiba Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Omoba ekran born comment me amobi. Ebiti said dauni. Born or comment me and Mobi, they did not even have the opportunity to show Kumasi Asante Kotoko fans say player or then buy and assume as you know Bentin say na the performance CTT was to me a day a Bobby. There were times that there were injury situations within the team where some of the players are all signing or mobile, the opportunities should have been given to them. And you know, say your young players are one adaptation will play a key role.
Yes.
So if adaptation will play a key role, a player beyond a fast or adapt it. Your player be on my mic, or the neba, and when no bet my day, adapt no abobo no any results in the amount. Obi one mo be take some time and some pick up. For example, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Oka Abdul Safiu, Fatao.
Yeah.
Sika Konot. Oti one man sama man for catching roke push. Almost so koshi bidie nyina na wo bidie na animhye. Bon no nya de. But omunya abotre man no man opportunity man boy ye de no man nyoma city ko animu meduru mebi no. Why na Kumasi Asante Kotoko animu no e campaign.
You see abotre no fans in benya.
You see, you explain to the fans to be patient. So if you own a catcher supporters and some munye patient, why are you no patient now?
And you concern the same players in San Kura next season.
Me say da nye yi naturally. I was there. Yes, build the team. Team now be building there 3 years. It doesn't mean say make results go bad. Internet told ye den yewura yaja. Ya din na efre woni udi nkomo. Ema season no moto asoma bibia koye dey. Ekowie pay because onim say project na moye. So if you are doing a project, most of these players no moye young no so maba team nim no. You think you got it wrong in the OCS aso jo moko amoko. What kind of decision was that?
From
and the due diligence ben amoye in terms of signing these players.
The means minimum say I say said the work now on one can on the case say no makokoye close because I'm say on my best sign is near best ye be closing market now no. Pina your attitude. Pina your attitude. A big 12,000, 10,000 womb, 8,000 womb, 7,000, 6,000. Oh, players are all kotoko. Me boy,
players are all kotoko. I know by new signings way more.
And I make sure say me the mine in general me mo be edin. Me see players a big 12,000, a big 10,000, 8,000, 7,000, 6,000 in our home. But play and to me when you catch say me ready to me bobo. They are be no.
When you're ready, so
but only one funny thing is Mike to say, oh, sorry, no, probably 4:30 now, that time you are playing wada. But the tennis attitude as my king, player Ben the Casas and Kuna and Iota of Ronaldo, or more discipline, more discipline. By far,
players, no, we've already spoken about the players' attitude.
What am I say? We've already also a call Confanoche, Nebia Koroko, Doctor Essential, Unilor Fair.
Fancy. It's all about say anytime we've been scapegoating.
But baby, I'm born to be a member 300 cities. Now we are out to you, meba. Meba now we are out to you say home case. How many months?
Fancy meba.
How many months? But koto the same player bra kotoko. Obe duri anu aba be cheko. No.
Meba, why is it that during the first season at Kumasi Asante Kotoko? During the first season at Kumasi Asante Kotoko,
Sompa Sports.
Wakwaba. You see?
with I don't know one because that period no kana salaries to become 4 months
with Ogum I realize one thing. It became with Ogum I realize one thing. Fancy. Men can be a fan but with Ogum I realize one thing. Every single time the coach thinks the players are the problem. With Ogum every single time because the meeting they had Mike. Any players somewhere on Madrid so major some of them the issues that were raised were attitude. Issues they be raising was attitude. The reason why Rashid Norte, Kumasa Sante Kotoko back them under Coach Ogum, they should make us understand. Coach Ogum every single time
you're very serious, season you look and we are near Behemo until the Enyam Treman Mike. Brahma men I'm a family coach.
Management. A coach can be a good manager. Players are not just footballers. They are also personalities, human beings with different attitude, different character. And we hear a management structure that caters for obiane and excesses. Now imagine a team that has not less than 30 people. One person or your coach cannot manage it. The sooner we come to terms with this, the best it will be for all of us. A management. So Kotoko need the right structures. So the last structure now the boss is in there they will struggle again. Structures. And already they've started planning and working with the plan without the structures even being in place. Oh dear, you remember so another time. But as I'm watching baby or no fancy a legacy. Oma bo branded stage be. Was the other time I know didn't come because Pep Guardiola Mosisi no. They are not just football coaches. They have become icons, personalities. Internet Boston Celtics had the NBA championship. Boston Celtics coach Pep Guardiola boy MMOJ the NBA champion. Sana Samaja and the NTA. Say almost the Speaker of Parliament war in Zanzibar. Eka Asante Oka Karibu Tena. Say welcome again. Say wedding come and welcome that Karibu near welcome. Karibu Tena ne welcome again. Nice. Exactly. There's a omuji tum say Jan no any the impact when you of football muno. Etra Ghana. He's not just a Ghanaian football icon and legend. He's an African football icon. And the biggest of stages I did demonstrate was when Africa hosted a tournament. No other African player played better than Asamoah Gyan in that competition and in that year, 2010. Treme Africa player Bakwa or Bro Asamoah Gyan. So no, at club level, he was excellent for Sunderland. And then at the international stage, Oton Africa de Konenim. And to omuji tum say Gyan ne impact when you free football muna enya wa man for so no except at so mobona baso. And this is the highest any other personality can get to. Say ukura wo no omo munisa omo outside sa kuro no ebete wonka na omabo abaso in this manner. Enya omo Zanzibar kura na benya sa de we nyina. So for an outsider to get this ana brilliant has NCC in so. You see, because sorry, also. No, sir, NCC, the leadership, and almost say they are sorry for their own inactions. Make a view. Kotokone has the lifeblood of these clubs. Chita for Matayo, Chikotoko saying, Okuma Pema, Pemba, Pimne Frehin, dominate DH. As the folks say, never say die until the bones are rotten. See, I bet Shama don't pay na say no, and as a house negu. Now, why no more Hama don't pay no emperor? No. So let us work on the fan base, the support base. See, yes, I not say a peja. And a bebuana peja teams in the studio no manas.
Well, Mammy for course no kakra yas toothpaste yas toothbrush. Yam for course on 0551931931 0548931931 yam for ayo course no kakra na yam sorry Emma news and so brother. Hello caller. Hello.
Yeah, buddy.
Yes, open it you.
Where you are over what do you nyam okay. I got a few cooking, and I'm going to